Hello everyone out there, this is Dr. Destiny, guys, and I am back with another video today. We're going to talk about fruits and we're going to talk about vegetables. This was going to surprise a lot of people, but I want you to listen to the information, okay? And then go and do your own study and your own research, and you can get more information from different resources, and that way you can come to your conclusion. But what we're going to be talking about today is a study from Botanical Research. And we're going to ask these questions. Is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? Now, according to Botanical Research, they have done studies for years, and they have come up with different solutions or different answers than what we were grown up, to know about fruits and vegetables. So let's get started. The topic is going to be, is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? According to Botanical Research. Now, like I said, guys, please do your own study and your own research and get this information. I'm just giving you a little nugget. So let me get started because I like to keep these videos as short as possible. Now, I've got my notes and I'm going to read from my notes, okay? Now, in a botanical sense or botanical study, a fruit is the fleshy or dried, ripened ovary of a flowering plant, enclosing the seed or seeds within the plant itself. Here are some examples. Apricots, these are fruits, bananas, grapes, as well as bean pods. You know your bean pods and your little peas on the inside? Well, your peas on the inside, your bean pods, they are seeds, so that makes them a fruit. Corn. Corn is a grain. However, though, they shuck the outer layer, when you go inside, the little corn kernels, those are seeds. That makes corn a fruit. Tomatoes, seeds inside, it's a fruit. Cucumbers, squash, acorns, peppers. Now, these are all fruits. Now, like I said, well, a lot of times we were told they were different, but according to botanical studies, that over the years, these are fruits. Now, also, almonds, they are fruit. You know how almonds are. You got the big shell on the outside, got the shell, the hard shell on the outside, and then you crack it open, and then it has all this husk, and then you get down to the inside, the white part. That is your seed, and that is also consists as a fruit, as well as your coconuts, the same thing. They are called drops, and almonds are called drops, but they have the husk and they have the outer shell first, and then they have the husk on the inside, then get down to the fleshy white part of the inside. Those are seeds, and that's what makes almonds as well as coconuts fruits. Also with peanuts, the same thing. Peanuts, the outer shell, you crack it open and the husk on the outside and get inside to the white part. Those are the seeds within the peanuts. Hey, that's considered also as a fruit. Cantaloupes are fruits, watermelons are fruits. Like I said, all the squash families is fruits. All the peppers family, bell peppers, all those are fruits, according to botanical research. Now, the question is, how to tell the difference? Well, while fruits, as I said, contain seeds, well, vegetables, they consist of your roots, your stems, your leaves, your tubers, and flowers. That is how you can tell the difference. So, here's a breakdown of the different parts of the plants that are eaten as vegetables. I want you to get this, okay? I'm going to repeat it. I'm about to tell you, I'm about to give you this breakdown of the different parts of the plants that are eaten as vegetables. Now, as I said, vegetables consist of your roots, your stems, your leaves, tubers, and flowers. So listen to this. These are parts of the plants of the vegetables. Roots. Roots is the underground part of a plant. And it stores your nutrients like carrots, radishes, beets, and sweet potatoes. Just to give y'all a few examples. Your stems. Now the stems, they are the stalks of the plant, and they are often growing above the ground, like asparagus and your celery. These are stems. These are vegetables. Your leaves. Your leaves, the green leafy parts of the plants like spinach, lettuce, cabbage, kale, collard greens, and etc. etc. All these leaves, they are vegetables. They are vegetables. And then you have the flowers part of the plant. Now these edible blooms are flower buds of the plant, and they are like your broccoli and your cauliflower. So I hope you get something out of that. So let me go and conclude, give you a quick summary. Like I said, I'm just giving you a little bit of nuggets so you can get you started, so you can start your research. Like I said, don't just settle for what I'm telling you. No, go out there and do your own study, do your own research, and get the information, get the knowledge and wisdom that's out there. It's out there, people. You just got to take time and have the patience and hunger and passion to learn and get that information. Everybody's not going to lay something on your plate for you to make it easy. If you're hungry enough for it, you're going to get your butt up and you're going to do the research till you get the information that you need to know, so you can grow and so you can have understanding and knowledge and have that wisdom so you can share things with others, as well as empowering your own self. Okay? Here's the quick summary in a nutshell. Technically speaking, a fruit is a plant's developed ovary that comes from a flower that contains one seed, or it can contain multiple seeds. Now, the term vegetable is much broader. It refers to any part of a plant that uses those different parts of the plant for food, like I said, including the roots, including the tubers, the stems, the flowering buds, and the leaves. Now, many other foods that we usually call vegetables, like tomatoes, people, they are technically fruits. And I hope you got enough information, because what I want to do, propel you to go out there and do your own study research. Again, this is Dr. Destiny, and I'm here just to give you a little bit of knowledge, a little bit of push to help motivate you, because I want you to learn about all these different things. It's because information and knowledge is powerful, people. It's out there and it's waiting on you just to say, hey, I'm going to pick up my phone, or I'm going to my computer, and I'm going to go in there. I'm going to dig and get what I need to know from as many researchers that I can, so I can have the right truth. Bible always said, always you can ask God. If you like wisdom, if you like knowledge, ask God and He will give it to you. And He will not withhold any good thing from you. So I'm out of here for the next time. I'm going to catch you guys at the next video. Dr. Destiny, love you guys. And thank you for your support. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your comments. I appreciate you all supporting my channel. And I thank you. I owe so much to you all, guys, for all you have done for me and how you have supported me. Thank you for listening to my videos, watching my videos, and thank you for commenting on my videos. Thank you for the wisdom and knowledge that you shared also with your own experiences, as well as your own testimonies. I thank you guys. You guys are super amazing. Get out there, kick butt, and knock down some of these studies and things that, is telling you different things. Get that truth. The truth will make you free. Bye, guys.